Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this channel for first time, please subscribe. Today we have PROCUS Rush Action Camera. This camera also known as everyday action camera and its price is around 7,000 rupees. This camera offers 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps and 720p at 120 fps. This camera provides 21 accessories including a carry bag. That is pretty cool because if you buy a GoPro then you need to purchase your mounts and everything extra. This camera has two ports, that is, one is HDMI and another is charging port and a memory card slot also. And down below there is a battery compartment, and on front you can see the mode button and a power on button, and above you can see OK button and there is a Wi-Fi indicator, and on side you can see the arrow buttons, and there is back there is a 2-inch LCD display. And this is the remote for the camera, and the red button is to take pictures and the another button is for shoot a video. To connect your mobile, you need to go to Play Store and search for PROCUS. So you can see this app. I'm already installed it. So let's go back to that app. Open this app and take your action camera, and on that you can see the Wi-Fi option. Just enable it so you can see this symbol. After that, go to that app and click the PROCUS. So it will connect. So now you can see the video preview on your mobile. After you connect your mobile, then you can shoot a video or a photo using your mobile, and also you can see the available options on your mobile app. Okay, that's it guys. Now let's check out the video samples. Video quality is pretty decent, but not as good as GoPro or any other big budget action camera. But for its price, it's worth it. I recommend this action camera for beginners. If you are starting motovlogging, just go for it. If you want to know more about this action camera, please subscribe my YouTube channel so you can see the more video samples. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye. Ride safe.